YouTubers? It's me, your girl Sharon Stone. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos and comment what you think. I'm on my morning, afternoon, Saturday recovery, hangover, workout. Yeah, blah. But I feel better now. My favorite trees. I love those trees. Hey, BB. BB. So what's up, dog? What's up, dog? Say what's up, YouTubers. He's whining. He's always whining and crying about something. Always. Getting a workout and a tan on at the same time. What you know about that? Free tan. Thank you, Mother Gaia, Mother Earth, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Can't forget the stars. Can't forget the stars. Yeah, we won't shut my eyes. I was up till like 3. I watched 50 Shades Grayer last night. Let me tell you what. Whew. That was a good one. Oh, yeah. Last night was a good one. Last night was pretty great. This morning's pretty great. Life's just fucking great. I got sunshine in a bag. Word. Word to your mother, Mother Earth.